So 2 days ago, I was having a talk with a Jehovah's Witness, and we started discussing John 1:1, so it's going to get good. But his argument for John 1:1 disproving the deity of Jesus wasn't very good. See, what he said was, because it says, in the beginning was the Word was there at the time of the beginning, meaning the Word came after time was created, meaning the Word was created and confined within time. So naturally, I brought him back to Genesis 1:1, which introduces in the same way, in the beginning God created, and said, okay, stay consistent. This means then that God is confined within time because it describes his point of creation within our timeline. Of course, he denied this because nobody wants to take the stance that God is confined within time because he's not. But when it comes to Jesus, the Word in John chapter 1, it has to mean that because Jesus just can't be God. Now that's only one issue with the reading. Another issue is the use of past tense verbs. John 1:1 says, in the beginning was the Word. Was is a verb that's used to describe something that came before the thing prior described, which in this case is the beginning. So because the Word was already there in the beginning, immediately at the start of time, the Word would have needed to be there prior to the start of time. Otherwise, the Word wouldn't have been there in the beginning because the Word would have been created after the start of time. He also asked me, why is John the one who introduces his gospel the same way that Genesis is introduced? And I said, well, sir, that's an easy one. If we finish verse 1, it's to show us that the Word is the God from Genesis 1. Because the Word is not just a God, the Word is the God that created in the beginning.